Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog again!
Welcome back again!
Today we will be unboxing a parcel from Shopee. These are like my working jeans, so yeah, let's unbox it. These are like high-waisted jeans, the loose ones, straight cuts, I guess, because in the construction site we need something to enable us to move freely. So this is it. Ay, mag-unboxing ta, wala tayo gunting. Pero na siya ikon guys, na siya ibuhug gamay sa ato na siya i-tear. Salamat kayo sa rider, gibuhuan niya gamay. Basta tayo gunting. First one, duha ka gok. I bought two. I'm so excited for this one. This is what my mom, This is what my mom suggested. I'm excited about the black one. Yeah. So let's open it. I bought size 29 even though I'm size 28 because I think I'm getting fatter each and every day. Let's see it. This one. It's cute na. I'll show it. See?
So,
these are patay taas kayo. So this is it guys, look, it's kinda luag, but yeah, this is the fit, it's looking cute, no? Let's have my mom's reaction. Right. Ma, what do you think of my outfit?
Okay.
You want it?
Maybe not so bad. So bad.
Why are you speaking like that, Ma?
Because you are speaking.
Oh, yeah. My mom doesn't know how to speak vernacular. She only speaks English and Spanish. Right, Ma'am?
Yeah.
And she's very fluent in Chinese. Mom,
Yeah.
can you introduce yourself in Mandarin?
Mandarin sa man.
Orange.
Dili ka na abang sinigang.
Tamarin! Yama lang niya akong mama. Hi guys, so since na naman mo diha ang position, sorry, box na ni nato no, kay apurado na kay akong mama. Ganto na daw siya aning itim. Reklamo siya kay klaro kayong tahi. Design mo rin. Here it is! Tada! Ha? Ay, upada today siya. Yes! So that I can use this to put my phone, to put my notepad, to put my lunchbox, snacks, everything. This one is also taas guys. Medyo dako siya buka. So let's try it. Let's see if it's okay with me. So hey guys, this is the second one. It's quite stylish, trendy. It has these details, like, can you see it? The stitches. Yeah. So unique. I added this little, ano tawag anima? Security pin? Basta ka na siya pin. Because love ko siya a little bit. And then, yeah, this is it. Yeah. Ako galing na talaga. Mami, ano ating sa akong vlog? Okay, let's walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. So that's it for my vlog today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing, my haul, and yeah, hopefully we can do another one next time. But pray for me that I'll have funds to go on shopping again. Thank you, Shopee. Thank you, seller, for my jeans. I love it the most. Yeah, bye bye. See you in my next vlog. Mwah!